Morning, baby. Morning. I brought you breakfast. And we can hear the birds this morning. There's the air conditioners in the background. I took the puppies out, go potty, and Sir Butterscotch heard me talking to them, and he came over and wanted breakfast. So I said, sure. Well, this morning I didn't give him the dry cat food. I gave him the good stuff out of the can, so he can have a good start to a good day. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So he just let me sit with him while he eats, which is nice. Now, how you doing, sweetheart? By the looks of things this morning, we had some more rain last night, so he's probably buried in, and boy, the grass is growing like crazy. What's that? Well, that bird's carrying on, isn't he? I don't know where he is. I can't see him. I'll bet you Sir Butterscotch knows exactly where he is. Okay, well, you have a good breakfast, okay, my friend? You're really chowing down on that good stuff, aren't you? Good stuff? Is it good stuff? Good deal. Well, you have a good breakfast, and we'll see you around a little later, okay? Bye-bye, sweetie.